What's up, everybody? I have a little project that I have in hand. I like to have all my stuff organized, and a little trick that I found for my tie wraps to keep them all organized in one place, and when I need them I get them, and not a hustle trying to look for them or whatever. It's a soda can. It's about the length of it, so I just cut it with a compressor, with a little saw, and I'll show you guys how do I do that. All right. That's it, and then the plastic could get sharp from time to time. Just want to route the edges. So by the end, after you do everything, you have just half of the bottle. You get your zip ties that you're gonna have. In that case, I have these. They're 1,000 zip ties, 7.5 inch. You just drop them in. Most likely, you're not gonna fit all 1,000, but probably a good 400-500 easy. If you gotta make 2, or you just want to have them in the bag and just keep them right there. But if you have a little bench where you work, or you have play around with, experience stuff like I do, and want to have them in handy, there you go. Your holders for your tie wraps. Cool. Now keep you informed on what other stuff I do. Take it easy.